At Giig, our plan is to build software which is aimed at supporting small businesses and startups in the recruitment sector. And in an attempt to support that community further and provide you with an extra source of income, we've recently launched our affiliate scheme. For those of you that are interested in referring your friends and your network to the Giig Hire platform, you can now earn a 21% recurring commission for the first 2 years on anybody that you refer to the platform that signs up to one of our paid products. When somebody clicks your affiliate link and then signs up to one of the paid packages, you will receive a 21% recurring commission every single month for the first 2 years, as long as that person stays subscribed to the paid product. I'm now going to run you through the 4 steps involved to becoming a Giig affiliate. Step number 1. Sign up. The first step is to make sure that you've signed up for the Giig platform. To become a Giig affiliate, you must first create an account with Giig to play around with the platform and understand if it's a product that you think your network could get value from. If you've played around with the system and you think it's worth sharing with your network, you can then come back to this page and click one of the sign up buttons here to become a Giig affiliate. Step 2 is create your link. After signing up, you're then going to be prompted to create an affiliate link. Now, this link that's generated is going to be unique to you, and it's going to be the link that you use to share with anyone in your network that you think might be interested in checking out the product. Step 3, share and track. Once you've created your link, you can then start to share it, and you can utilize the dashboard to track your clicks, sales, and the commissions that you're going to earn. Step number 4, get paid. As I mentioned at the start of this video, you will then receive a 21% commission every single month for the first 2 years that that person pays for the product. The payments will be transferred instantly into the bank account of your choice, and that is set up during the sign up process. So hopefully this video covers everything that you need to know about the affiliate scheme. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us in our support chat. But if not, we're looking forward to having you as part of the Giig affiliate scheme and helping you to create that extra source of income.